you guys out here to get this party started, everybody. We're the first band, Fire and Rain. We have lots of music for you guys tonight.
Thank you guys for coming out early today, man, and joining us with us. Hope it stays nice and clear for the rest of the shows this afternoon. And like Abraham and Combos were saying, we're Fire and Rain from Las Vegas. And I want to thank everybody for coming out this weekend, the whole weekend long, to support Las Vegas's finest musicians. Had a great night last night down at the Rialto. They had the
Dead Superheroes Orchestra. They were really cool, man. That was really cool.
And once again, man, thank you guys for coming out.
We have Eric E. in the house, in the park, right? Shout out to the Dooley Brothers. Shout out to Marlon Shelton there.
Don't you feel it growing day by day? People telling the news. Some are happy, some are sad. Oh, better let the music play. What the people need is a way to make them smile. It ain't so hard to do once you know how. Gotta get a message, get it on through. Oh, now let the blues away. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. All the time. Well, I know you know better everything I say. Leave me in the country for a day. We'll be happy and we'll dance. Oh, dance blues away. And if I'm feeling good to you and feeling good to me, there ain't nothing we can do or say. We'll be happy and we'll stay. Oh, gotta dance the blues away. Oh, oh, to the music. Oh, oh, to the music. Oh, oh, to the music. All the time. Like a lazy flowing river, surrounding castles in the sky. And the crowd is growing bigger, bringing more happy sound. Gotta catch the blues away. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. All the time. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music, baby. Oh, oh, listen to the music. All the time. All right, a little bit of Doobie Brothers there for you guys. Get up on Saturday morning, man, to come and jam with Fire and Rain out in the Plaza Park in beautiful Las Vegas, New Mexico. Thank you guys for coming out.
Bella. Bella.
All right. Little song by Doghat. Something called I Just Want to Make Love to You. I know it's early on Saturday morning, but I
can't think of a better time. I'm still asleep. Thank you.